What is up, YouTube? This is Master of Cards coming at you. This time, we have a very special video for you guys. So, one of my commenters on my videos says, or asks, he goes, what is the one that has the most value? It's a toss-up, really. If you get lucky with Yu-Gi-Oh, you have the collector's editions, you have the quarter centuries, and then with Pokemon you got the V's, VMAX, and EX. But today we're about to solve this. You ready for this? Let's get into it. We'll make a little bit of space here, and we also have some sleeves with us today, just in case we get that really good pull. Alright, we'll start her off with this Pokeball. Maybe. Now, we got 27 packs of Pokemon total, and 27 packs of Yu-Gi-Oh! And I will be keeping track of the totals. Alright, so what do we got in here? And today, I'm just gonna let you guys have the code cards. Oh, we got stickers in here too. Cool. Alright, Lost Origin, Fusion Strike, and Silver Tempest. This is the set that got me back into Pokemon, was Fusion Strike. Alright. Now, the pulls from this are Mew V, Mew VMAX, Gengar V and VMAX. And there we go, Mew V. And there's your code card. Okay. And we'll go with Silver Tempest. Oh man, I'm itching to get that Paldean Fates. We'll open 3 packs of Pokemon, and then we'll go to Yugioh. Lugia V. I think that's standard art. I'm not sure with that one. And there's your guys' code card. And since this is going to be a longer video, I'm not doing the card trick either. Plus, to be honest, I might get a little confused. Wasn't much in that one. Alright, so 3 Yu-Gi-Ohs. We'll go with Ghost from the Past. Oh, and Ghost Rares from this are going for a pretty penny too, so if you get lucky for that, it might actually be in favor of Yu-Gi-Oh! Alright, here we go. But it is very hard to pull those Ghost Rares. Very hard. I think Ghost Rares in this is Dark Magician Girl and Blue Eyes White Dragon. That are the big ones. Because this is number 2, not number 1. Number 1 has Dark Magician. And nope, didn't get much from that one. We'll open this Lost Origin. Lost Origin has the Aerodactyl and also has Giratina, of course. Karumvi. Not bad. So far, it's actually in favor of Pokemon, I'd have to say. Also, with these, some people believe that the pull rates are upped, but Flame Swords Realm, not much from that. Alright, here we go with Obsidian Flames. Obsidian Flames has the Charizard, of course. Oh, Artisan gold card. We'll sleeve that one right up. There we go. All right, let's go with the last Maze of Millennia. And we'll move this in here. And no, nothing from there either. Man, Yugioh's losing the battle. Alright, Paradox Rift. Roaring Moon is one from this. That's a good pull. And Iron Veiler. Alright, here we go. Brute Bonnet. Not bad. Now, with Pokemon, you also get the coin and this little hollow there. Let's do another Pokemon. Why not? And there's a code card for you guys. Small live. Alright, what do we got here? Not much there. But Pokemon is definitely ahead so far. Well, it wasn't much from that either. I'll take it a little easy on that. It's pretty fragile there. Alright. And not much from that either. Alright. Let's open this tin here. That Charizard's really cool. Lost Origin. Two Lost Origins. And Chilling Reign? Alright. Now, this was before I got really big into Pokemon again. So I'm not too sure on how the polls are, or what to look at in that one. Raichu. Nope, not much in that one. Alright, on to Chilling Reign. Nope, nothing in there either. Alright. Let's go to the rarity collection for Yu-Gi-Oh! Ash Blossom in this is a good pull. Especially in Quarter Century. Ooh, we got Orchestra of the Evening Star. Ghost Bell and Haunted Mansion. And Blackwing. Nightmare Unicorn. The Primal Being. Alright, one more for the rarity collection. Blue Eyes Abyss Dragon. An Ancient Fairy Dragon. And that was not too bad of a pack. Now, I don't know much of value for those either, for the rarity collection, but I will have them up on the screen if we hit a big one. And let's get into Paldean Fates. Nope, not much from there. I like these, the little 3-packs. Come with stickers. There's the code card for you. Alright, let's get into it. The Mew alternate art with this set and Charizard. Nimona. Full art. Draw 3 cards. Imagine if that was in Yu-Gi-Oh! Let alone Pot of Greed. Has been banned for years. We'll put these up here too. There we go. I just saw these Unbroken Bond packs at like a secondhand store, and I thought of picking them up. Why not? I don't know the pull rates in them, but I guess we'll see. Alright, let's go to Valiant Smashers. Ghost Sister and Spooky Dogwood. I don't think I've... With Yu-Gi-Oh, I just got back into it because I was really into Magic the Gathering instead, and when I heard that they fired people right before Christmas on last year, yeah, that was not good. That would have been nice for a collector's rare, but I need it for my Lightsworn deck anyway. But yeah, when I heard about that, I was like, nah, I'm done with Magic the Gathering. Plus, the quality of it has been going down for quite some time. Not much in that. I was really big into Magic the Gathering. I even have an open box of Avacyn Restored. But that's not Yu-Gi-Oh! Or Pokemon, so let's not focus on that. Alright. Nope, nothing in those. Let's go with Maze of Memories. We'll do a Phantom Nightmare after these two. Maze of Memories, they brought back Gates Guardian in this set. Another thing with Yu-Gi-Oh's market, secondhand market, is they do reprint cards often. So that is also something to take in consideration. Pokemon, they just move on. And it's the competitive scene for Pokemon is it goes in rotation. Yu-Gi-Oh has no rotation. Everything is overlay network. Alright. There we go. And we'll do one of Phantom Nightmare. Hopefully we get that Yubel fusion card. With Magnolia. Alright. We'll move on to Darkness Ablaze. I'm not too sure on the values and which ones actually have the upper hand right now. Gotta add the quarter century or the anniversary cards in. That is such a good set. I don't know, they should open a box on the channel. Not much for Darkness Ablaze so far. And we got a full art Powerful Energy. But that's about it. And I'm recording this a week early because there's going to be a lot of editing to go into this. Nope, nothing from Darkness Ablaze. Alright, let's go into Phantom Nightmare. Dragon Sage of the Voiceless Voice. I'm so glad they brought back Yugioh support. Uh-oh. We got Horus, the Black Flame Deity. In quarter century. We'll see how much that adds up to. Terrors of the Afterroot. Rise, rank up, magic, raid raptors force. There we go. Alright, and this is Battle of Legend, Chapter 1. This just came out for Yu-Gi-Oh! And of course, we're looking for the Utopia there. And there is a special die. I think it's Judgment Dragon is a special die from this. And there's the die. Get focus for you. Stratos. Yeah, we'll just leave that in there. And also looking for light sworns because I got rid of my Yu-Gi-Oh collection from years back. Ooh, the Star Destroying Kaiju. So I'm trying to look for the light sworns and build my light sworn deck again. There's one. Put him right there. Number 77. So the recharge. Oh, light sworn. Alright. Got a booster bundle of Paradox Rift here. Alright, here we go. I think we got something. Sandy Shocks EX. Here's your code card. Alright, we'll sleeve that up. And Groudon. The alt art. I like that of Groudon. Also, I do not recommend buying just separate packs. You just don't get your value out of it. Nor do you get your value out of booster boxes most of the time. So, buying singles. Ooh! Altaria EX. Ooh, there we go. There's the code card. We'll save that up quick. There we go. Yeah, Yu-Gi-Oh! I quit years ago. Around when Burning Abyss was still a thing, and the Light Sworns. Porygon Z! And then we get the regular Porygon Z. But I'm just getting back into it, and I like it, but the secondary market for Yu-Gi-Oh! Is a little weird. I don't think I've ever seen anything like it. Because you got like Bonfire, you just got the fire coming into meta. Like Fire King Avatar and that stuff, I've noticed. Alright. Canopic Protector. Foil. Alright, there we go. Age of Overlord, you have the SP Little Knight. That's good pulls. And of course, anything quarter century is a good pull. But you gotta get real lucky to pull it. Alright, we got TG over Dragonar. Canopic Protector again. And well, yeah, get some last pack magic here, hopefully. Oh, we did get a quarter century. Super Star Slayer, Typhoon, Sky Crisis. Look at that. Huh. I'll check the value on it before I upload. Let you guys know. And the values will be right here. Alright. This has been Master of Cards, signing out. See you later. Okay, so I just did a look on TCG Player real quick. Next time I do these videos, it will definitely be... I'll definitely know what I'm opening again, or definitely know what I'm opening. But this right here is a $200 card, guys. Wow, I am shaking. I just can't believe it right now. Wow. The day of the recording, March 15th, this is a $200 card. My goodness. All right. I just wanted to let you guys know that that is crazy. And I do believe that Yu-Gi-Oh just won that just because of this right here. All right. This time, see you guys later.